so this is my last little thing I've got to do. I got to change the thread from the white to the pink. And I've got to thread my bobbin because the bobbin is white. So we'll take this out. Take the bobbin out. Ooh. There's a lot of thread still left in there. Let me see if I have another one. If you can find one that doesn't have as much, then you don't have to take all this out. Do I have a pink even? No, this is a weird color, but I'd rather leave the white since that color being used more than what this is. I don't know if this is brown or... So I gotta take this off. And I'm sure you don't want to watch me do this, so I'm gonna pause it. I'll show you an easy way to do it. Just take it and go like this. See? Make sure it stays in your hand though. And then just do that. There's probably an easier way too besides this. Like throw the bobbin away and give it a... No. See how there was some black under there? I just did that. Okay, so you can keep this if you want for like hand sewing, but I don't keep it. I got more. If you can't reach the thing on here, you just take your seam ripper and then take it off. Take it off. There you go. Okay, I have you the opposite way this time because alright, so for this, you just take it and you put it on your at the top of the sewing machine. And then let's see where to go. You wrap it around. There's another little thing up here that you wrap it around. If you're a sewer, you know how to do it. I'm just gonna wrap the bobbin. And then you gotta turn your there you go. Wrap it a little bit on there. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, so it's gonna go the other way. I had the wrong way. You gotta start it, like wrap it around. Put it up here, and that will stop it from the needle from going. And then, is that going the right way? Yeah. Hold on. I don't think I wrapped it on there. There's a little hole here. You can put the thread through it. Put this thing away for a few years and you forget how to do some things. Some of it you don't, you know, you like automatically remember it, but some things you might forget. I don't think I ever forgot. I just, like, do I have to really do all that? Uh-oh. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. See it? See this bobbin? The bobbin is getting threaded. Right there. Hopefully it's shorted because I don't know. Hold on. See how the bobbin is threading on there? It just goes from here. And it goes all the way around. You just do it until it stops. When it stops, then your bobbin is ready. And it's probably probably gonna be enough for what I'm doing. Okay, and I'll show you some of that. Okay, and then you just put your bobbin back in after you thread it. Okay, I'm gonna thread it. And this one has arrows, so you can just wind it around. And then make sure you put it behind this black thing, because that holds it. That cuts it too. It cuts the thread, which I haven't been using that for some reason. I should. Then you thread it. There you go. Thread that. Can you see in there at all? Okay, the bobbin goes down in here. And then you pull your thread around that way. And then you catch your thread from your bobbin and pull it through. And you got both pieces. And you're ready to go. Okay? Okay, so I finished the blanket. I added some lace. Look how pretty that is, kind of sparkly. This is just going to be like when she goes to her appointments and different things like that, and over the stroller when she goes walking. Isn't that pretty? Or whatever she wants to use it for. And this is the inside. See, it doesn't have that padding like I did the other one. I just sewed it like that. So pretty simple, but pretty, 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 pretty. All right, guys. I will be doing some more stuff this summer, sewing time, maybe even knitting, so I can have it ready for the next winter and fall. So, anyways, I will see you in the next video.